Hello and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. I would like to show you this lighter that I have in my collection, number 29663 Zippo Red Vintage Wrap. It's actually a really neat looking lighter. Kind of cool. It is a H 2018, August 2018, with I believe G 2018, so yes, a G 2018, which would be July 2018 insert. And it's just got a really nice texture to it. The Zippo flame design wraps around halfway. And I really like this lighter. When I saw it in the display case at a local store, I had to get it. Fell in love with it right away. Thought it was cool looking. Hope you like it too. I know they don't make these anymore, but they're not that expensive on eBay if anybody's curious about wanting to get one. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a great day. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Anything you can do will help my little channel grow. Thank you.